Hello, welcome to VISHNU IAS Academy, announcing the ultimate UPSC CSE 2025 preparation program. Are you aiming for success in UPSC Civil Services examination? Look no further. Join our General Studies Prelims Cum Mains Super 50 batch and unlock your potential to achieve your dreams.
Our exclusive features, batch limited to 50 students, ensuring personal attention and learning environment.
8 months intensive program with 2 years of recorded classes validity. Revisit the lessons anytime.
Daily answer writing practice. Improve your writing skills with regular practice sessions.
Comprehensive study materials. Get standard books and essential NCERTs at no extra cost.
One-to-one mentorship. For every 25 students, there will be one mentor guiding you in every step of your learning.
Prelims and mains test series. Take our comprehensive test series to gauge your preparation and get exam ready.
Previous year's questions analysis. Understand the trends and pattern with detailed PVQ sessions.
Free reading room access. A quiet and conducive environment for focused study.
Additional benefits: interactive live sessions and doubt clearing classes. Engage directly with your faculties and clear your doubts in real time.
Performance tracking and feedback, regular assessments and personalized feedback to keep you on track.
Motivation sessions and guest lectures.
Community support, join a network of like-minded aspirants and foster a collaborative environment.
Holistic development workshop. Workshop on essay writing, interview skills and personal development skills.
Don't miss this golden opportunity to be a part of an elite group of aspirants. Secure your spot now and take the first step towards to becoming an IAS, IPS, IFS or IRS officer. Enroll today. Visit our website or contact at 9004000939. Let's make your UPSC dream a reality. Together we can achieve greatness.